Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about a coin. This name is Roti Bank coin. This project is charitable project. You can check their official announcement. You can check their all project. I will show you all information about the project, and I hope you get profit from my information, and I hope you will buy this token and you can do some charity or help to do charity for the people who don't have money for survival, and you can give some money for the living of his. If you give some charity, this Roti Bank coin RBC is the best to donate someone, to donate some people who don't have a money extra for his survival. You can check their all information by CoinGecko. I will going to share you all information. Okay, you can check their token RBC. The token price is 0.178833. Okay, the price is very low because the charity is ongoing here, therefore the price will be up in some near future. You can check their 24-hour trading value. 1,31,000 trading value is also available here. 24-hour low and high you can check. The circulating supply is very less. I will going to show you the circulating supply, but you can check here. You can check the 24-hour low and Y is very less. You can check their official smart contract in Etherscan. I'm going to show with you. You can check their official smart contract. You can check their max total supply. You can check their holders. You can check their contract. You can check decimal, all information here. You can check exchanges where listing. I'm going to show with you. Many exchanges listing is also available here. You can check Windex, Etherflyer, all BitSyn, all exchanges is listed is available here. Windex is a high trading value, $23,398 best for you buy can from here. You can check their official information. The only trading competition is also available, so you can join their trading competition and get profit. I'm going to show you the all information about the Roti Bank coin. You can done charitable trust, charitable. You can donate here, and it is very trusted. Okay, I'm going to show with you all information here. You can check their official website. You can check the poor people's, the children we don't have a money for survival. You can donate here directly, and very trusted source for donate. You can check all information here. You can check here about the Roti Bank coin is a modern daily digital currency which primarily deals with a charity. The direct if you want to deal direct charity, then it's very important and very best thing for you. You can donate direct charity, and it is very reliable and trusted. You can trust to me, so it is very reliable and trusted. So you can donate here from direct to people who don't have a money. If you trade some amount of crypto like $40,000, $60,000, then $1,000, $2,000 is a very good amount for donate. You can check what is a Roti Bank coin token. You can check here all information. Roti Bank coin token is a daily digital currency which primarily deals with crypto. Roti Bank coin is one of the advanced technology based on crypto. Launch on 22nd November 2020. The launch date is 22nd November 2020. Roti Bank coin. The raise fund for charity purpose like home for old houses. This coin is take all trust, all crypto, all money for the only and only reason is charity. For donate someone that don't have money for survival and help to survival with us, because all living thing have a right to survival and have a right to live with us. Trusted cryptocurrency Bank Roti coin RBC version 1.0 is ERC20 token and an integral part of a Ma Roti bank based in New Zealand. You can check the token is very trusted, so the price will be pumped in near future. I hope you can get profit if you buy the 50% low prices here. So go and buy this token, then you can get much profit. I'm not showing you 100x, I'm but showing the 2x or 3x profit is possible. You can check internet bonus and incentives. Employees who work for next RBC project and raise RBC as bonus and intern exchange based on C merit bank interest regulation. You can check the coin or all team there. They are trusted by scientists. RBC project is also intelligent by group of research and scientists based on trusted research model. This all token is trusted by scientists, and I hope you can see your information, the legal trusted source. All many coins are showing ki we are going to donate someone, but they not donate. But the RBC is a very trusted source. I hope you can donate to RBC direct, then you can donate to someone who need the money. What does RBC system operate? How the system operate of RBC Management Roti Bank Coin are 20 board of directors and 100 marketing advisors. They may function see Mary Roti Bank funded about children and have lost their parents. 1000 plus children are saved by the Roti Bank Coin, by which has been donating from us. If you want to donate, you can donate him, then you can direct contribute who people who need the money for the survival. You can check the Globally Trust verification. You can check the Indian base coin. See the Roti Bank Foundation. Their all employees work for the peoples who don't have a money for survival. Therefore, we need to donate some amount for this charity. Then he can do charity and make better life to who don't have a parents, who don't have their own house. So I request you do go and donate. I am going to donate some coins for this charity. Then he can do some charity to peoples. You can see self-revenue digital ads, blockchain certificate, all things required for the service Roti Bank follows. You can check provide Roti food lifetime our RBC holders. If anyone invests 50,000 INR, then he will get a Roti food worth 50 rupees per day. If you invest 50,000, then you can get 50 RS food per day. If 50 per month. If anyone invests 1 lakh, then he will get Roti food worth of 100 per day. All information is here. Their charitable pages. One, we can provide a facility trade. You can check here. You can check their token information. RBC token is issued using ERC20 token standard on Ethereum blockchain. The ERC20 token is happening here, so you can check the total supply. You can check is the ERC20 base circulating supply is very less, and 440 is locked 10 years every years. We can check the circulating supply increase RBC 10% of the total circulating supply RBC. You can check here. Smart contract link you can here do, so you can go and check. The distribution of token is also available. A 1 point airdrop. If airdrop is happening, I will show you, and then you can join the airdrop. 50% advertisers and the 20% directors. 5% marketing. 50% public sale and locked. 40% is locked. Roti Bank projects. You can check all project. Children education center. All education centers where children are studying there, we distribute their amounts of token and they do some charity. Food ATM centers, 50 or more than food ATM centers will work for RBC for there. RBC hospital, RBC microfinance, RBC bank, all happening here for the people who don't have a money for survival and they need to money for survival. You can check their all roadmap is here. Sarah McBank Foundation 2018 the foundation is here. 2020 June white paper development, 2020 November ERC20 develop, and 2020 December website development. 2020 December listing on first exchange, 2021 list on CoinGecko, and 2021 list on CoinMarketCap. You can check all the roadmaps are completed by them. No one airdrop, no one roadmap can be missed by them. You can check 2021 March 2021 listed on second exchange. 2021 $1 target price. You can check the target price is $1. Okay. 2021 December list on Trail Exchange, and the RBC debit card is here. RBC credit card. January hospitals, RBC bank. You can check here. You can check the team. The team is very important. You can check that all teams projects here. You can check their director. You can check their co-founder. You can check the founder. You can check here. You can check their LinkedIn profiles. You can check their official LinkedIn profiles. RBC Coin Manager Advisor. You can check all information here. So they are doing their charity. So go and do some charity for this trust, and I hope you will get profit. You can get blessings from the peoples who don't have a suitable amount of money to live. They have to live. They need to live. So go and join this project. You can check the listing is coming soon. RBC available, one is exchange available, Etherflyer available, All Star available, Binance coming soon, Uniswap available. You can check all information here. So okay, then go and join and buy this token, and I hope you will get profit from it. This project is very good, and I hope you can buy this token for the multiple users and the charity something. Okay, so bye bye.